Hello guys, welcome aboard. Welcome again to my channel. So for today's video, we can experience this kind of problem on board, mostly in the engine. This is our fuel oil module, auto backwash filter. So sometimes we notice that our backwash filter frequently dirty, or that means it's clogged. So the motor of the auto backwash filter continues running, but the problem is the weak link of the gear, or the reduction gear, was already damaged. That is the cause of continuous running, but it's not backwashing the dirty fuel. So what we are going to do is to fabricate the small gear with a fitter. We will fabricate made of bronze, because the previous parts is made of bronze. So this is the weak link of the reduction gear, and this is direct to the shaft of the motor. So just fabricate the same dimensions, diameter, the hole, and the gear teeth. When dismantling or assembling, just remove the lock, both sides, and remove the pin of the gear, same as you assemble it. So guys, we already assembled and we connected already the motor to the module, and we will test. We switch on, and we will see if the shaft is running. So the gears still open, and now we can see the gear is moving. You see, the gear is moving, rotating, and also the shaft. This is a reduction gear. The shaft will turn very slowly, and the motor turns more speed than the shaft, because of this reduction gear. So for our crew that never experienced this kind of problem, always check your auto backwash filter shaft. If turning, it's okay, but if it is not turning and the motor is continuous running, that means the weak link of the gear inside the reduction gear, this gearbox, is damaged or worn out. The gears direct connected to the shaft of the motor is already worn out. The teeth are already damaged. Shout out to Marigola engine crew, second engineer Fuentes, third engineer Galasa, and fitter Anuya. Guys, we mounted now the motor in the auto backwash filter, and we will see and we will test if the shaft is running. We will not close the box so that we can see. As you can see now that it's turning, and the shaft below the gearbox is also running. but the speed is very slow. You can see that white, the small one, the pin, that is the pin. That means it's running. It's turning slowly. Backwash the filter, the dirty fuel. The dirty fuel will drain. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.